Good morning, everybody. I am here with my chickens and a new package that I wanted to open with you. I mean, I opened it and I peeked in, but I have not actually opened the product. So we have done black soldier fly larvae before, just what we picked up at Baumgart's. We know that our chickens like to have extra snacks, extra protein, but this is a new brand, and the company sent it to us to try out. So I am going to leave my honest review. I am not getting paid for this, but my chickens will tell me if it's good or not. So again, brand is Grub Terra, and we are going to try it right now. What do you think, ladies? Ladies. All right, so it looks like this. Grubs. Come on, come. I do like that it supplements. They always lay eggs better when they have a little bit more protein. So they eat well with their regular layer feed. We let them free range. They have the pasture that they go in. But again, we do like to supplement. So Grub Terra, black soldier fly larvae, and happy chickens.